So tell me, why do you walk?
because it helps me to fresh. It helps me to fresh. It helps me to uh, fresh fresh air and fresh body circulation in my body. I can breathe. Uh, sorry, sir.
Look, look. First you cool, be calm, comfortable. See, because क्योंकि सुबह में हवा एकदम शुद्ध होती है, because in the morning the air is pure,
Yeah. क्योंकि
okay,
हवा सुबह
and fresh, okay, it is pollution free, dust free, stove, okay, smoke free. And when I walk in the morning, okay, it activates my blood circulations, my blood circulation becomes active. And if I take a brisk walk, it will be helping me to stay fit and healthy. Okay, it is also very good for your digestive system, anything that you can add the information, that
ओके
is why.
तो फर्स्ट आई थिंक मैं हिंदी में सोच के फिर देन मैं उसको इंग्लिश में ट्रांसलेशन करके फिर देन
इन द बिगिनिंग यही होगा, इन द बिगिनिंग
ओके
आपको हिंदी में ही सोचना है, टाइम लेना है, बाद में यू कैन से यार इट इज ओनली द सेकंड लेक्चर, यू डोंट हैव टू वरी, थिंक एंड रीड, और आई हैव गिवन द पैटर्न व्हाट यू हैव टू स्पीक. Okay, so let me once again, okay, ask the same question. Do you walk in the morning?
यस आई डू
Why do you walk in the morning?
बिकॉज बिकॉज मॉर्निंग में बिकॉज मॉर्निंग fresh air and pollution free. Uh, it is help me to increase my blood circulation. Um, uh, and when I walk, I can take breathe easily.
It's okay, no problem. You know what I have given the example? क्योंकि सुबह में हवा साफ और शुद्ध होती है.
शुद्ध चलती है.
ठीक है. The because in the morning the air is fresh and pure.
हाँ, because in the morning the air fresh and pure
हाँ जी.
uh, and pollution free.
It is also smoke free and dust
हाँ,
free.
it is also pollution free, dust free. And
And जब मैं
and
तो मेरा ब्लड सर्कुलेशन एक्टिव हो जाता है. When I walk,
when I walk, my blood circulation is active.
and it is a good exercise.
And it is a good exercise.
That is why I walk in the morning.
That is why I go in the morning.
ठीक है, अब देखो मैं आई आस्क यू अनदर क्वेश्चन, बट लाइक दिस यू हैव टू बी इन कॉन्वर्सेशन टुडे. गिव मी द आंसर.
Do you eat non-veg? No, no,
आप
I don't like non-veg food.
राइट
No,
इट
I
डाउन,
don't eat. Hmm.
राइट इट डाउन,
Okay.
राइट इट डाउन. No, I don't eat non-veg, so that we will follow the questions. When the question answer is in negative, then WH questions, the following question that also will be negative. जब आप अगर जवाब देते हो नो मैं नहीं खाती हूँ, तो मैं आपसे पूछूंगा क्यों नहीं खाते हो. देन अब आपको फॉलो करना, okay,
Okay.
because I don't like to kill animal and it is not suggested in my religion. Okay,
So can I type, sir?
yeah, पहले अभी let me just follow the question. Look, if you ask me
Okay. Okay.
do you eat
Okay.
non-veg,
Okay.
I will also give you the same answer. No, I don't eat non-veg. जब कोई आपको
Okay.
no I don't कहता है ना, then you try to ask why don't.
हाँ, yes, sir. Okay.
जवाब देता है मतलब पॉजिटिव में तो why do you, नेगेटिव में why don't you.
Yes.
अभी मैंने आपको नेगेटिव में इंट्रोगेटिव क्वेश्चन पूछा WH के साथ, व्हाई डोंट यू ईट नॉन वेज. अगर आपने जवाब दिया है तो देखिए ये सेंटेंस मैंने आपसे पूछा.
Why don't you eat mango?
So what is your answer? Tell me.
Because I don't want to kill animal. I want to eat fresh food in veg meals. I like vegetarian food, non-veg food.
Look, because I don't like to kill.
Because I don't kill the animals um, and
आप ऐसे बोल सकते because I am a vegetarian.
because I'm
because
a
I am a vegetarian. एक बहुत simple answer.
okay because I'm a vegetarian.
And I don't want to eat animals. Okay, I don't want to eat animals. Okay,
Because
बोल सकते हैं ना मैं नहीं चाहती हूँ जानवरों को खाना.
मैं एनिमल्स को खाना नहीं चाहती हूँ.
हाँ.
I don't want to eat animals
And
because I'm a vegetarian.
हाँ.
Yes, sir.
And there are many things that we can eat in vegetarian diet. For example, we can eat milk, paneer, soya, sprouts that will give the same energy and protein and vitamins, okay, in spite of having non-veg. So आप जवाब तय कर सकती हैं दिमाग में और जवाब दे सकते हैं. Now, try to ask me question and I will ask you, okay, the same counter question so that we will be having a good conversation. You read whatever you've written. Do you drive car? Do you listen to music? Do you dance? Do you teach? A lot of sentences you can ask me and I will ask you the same question. I will give some answer and you have to also understand how to answer the questions. Okay, try to ask me next. Now it's only conversation and you have to follow the question. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now you don't have to write it down. You can ask me directly. Okay.
Okay. Do you drive?
Do you drive car? Ask me.
Do you drive a car?
Yeah, I drive car.
Why do you drive a car? Yeah.
Yeah,
Do
because
you like?
whenever
तो
because
इसमें सर ये पूछ सकते हैं कि why do you drive a car? मतलब आप कार क्यों ड्राइव करते हो?
वही आपको पूछना है. अभी फिलहाल हमारा क्वेश्चन पैटर्न वही है, कॉन्वर्सेशन का पैटर्न वही है, सो दैट वी कैन हैव अ लॉट ऑफ आंसर. ओके, फिर से पूछिए.
हाँ, why do you drive a car?
I drive car because I want to reach my destination as fast as I can. I don't want to stand in a queue and I have my own car. That is why I like to drive and I drive because I can save my time.
Okay.
Same question if I ask you, that is called counter question.
Yes.
Do you drive car?
No, I don't drive a car.
Why don't you drive car?
Because I don't know drive and I don't want to see driving because I really sir one second मैं thought कर लूँ फिर because
Okay, आप सोचिए. No, I don't drive car because I don't have a driving license. The first, and I also don't know how to drive car. Second answer.
okay.
Second, the sentence you can say. And I don't think that means I need to drive because I don't have to go anywhere else. And whenever I have to go outside, I hire Ola or Uber. There are taxis, okay, available on hire. So that is why I don't drive car. Okay.
Yeah. So it helped me like कि मैं पहले और उसका आंसर बना के ट्रांसलेट करूँ तो can help me.
फिर से बोलिए.
सर अगर मैं मतलब पहले क्वेश्चन का फिर मैं आंसर करके फिर उसका ट्रांसलेट करूँ तो इट हेल्प.
चलेगा ना भाई. पहले देखो, सबसे पहले कि मैं जो आंसर दूंगा उसे सुनेंगे आप और वही रिपीट करेंगे.
Yes,
और उसके बाद ट्राई टू मेक सेंटेंसेस बिकॉज अभी आई वुड लाइक टू प्रोवोक योर थॉट्स. मैं आपके दिमाग को स्ट्राइक कर रहा हूँ, यानी कि आप ये ऐसा नहीं कि आप नहीं जानते हो, आप जानते हो, जस्ट रिवाइज करना है और अब conversation में आना. That is why I take this personal session to you. I spend a lot of time right now, and I would like to
Yes,
ask
sir.
you. Okay, so that is why I have given you answer. Now ask me another question.
Yes, sir. Do you like traveling?
I like traveling
Why do you like traveling?
because when I travel out of my city, I can see the nature and I can meet different people. I can also explore different places. Sometimes I travel for a long distance. I also go outside of my countries. When I go outside of my country, so I can see different culture, civilization, people, language, and it's my passion to travel. So that is why I travel a lot. Once a year or twice a year, I take a long tour. I plan with my family to go outside of the city. Do you like traveling?
Yes, I do.
Why?
Uh, uh, I like traveling because it's I can see the nature, and I want to see the different cities in India. I want to see the so many things. I want to see so many things in our country, because that's why I want to go out and see all things in in natures and sorry.
That is fine. Good answer. No problem. You can improve like this. Ask me another question.
Okay. Uh, uh, do you like television?
I watch television.
Why do you like television?
देखो लाइक की जगह आप बोलोगे डू यू लाइक टू वॉच या डू यू वॉच.
अच्छा, do you
लाइक
watch television? What? हाँ.
लाइक मतलब होता है पसंद करना. सो यहाँ पे सवाल
What?
आप क्या आप देखते हो टीवी. डू यू वॉच टीवी. आप ऐसे बोलिए या क्या आपको पसंद है टीवी देखना. डू यू लाइक टू वॉच टीवी. आस्क मी द सेम क्वेश्चन वंस अगेन.
Uh, do you watch television?
Yes, I watch television
Why do you watch television?
because watching television means I would like to take lots of information. Mostly I watch news channels. When I see news channels on television, I can see what's happening around the world. All kinds of the news from the entertainment, from the politics, from the business. So on a single platform, I can take a lot of information. That is why I watch television. Also, it gives me a different kinds of the advertisement and endorsement. Whenever I think that something is going to be launched, I am I become ready to take it or get it. So it's kind of awareness, information, entertainment. That is why I watch television. Do you watch television?
Yes, I do.
Why do you watch television?
Because it's feel me relaxed. Whenever came to finish my work, whenever I came to finish my work, I watch television. That is relax my mind and feel me a good energy, give me a good energy, give good energy. After that, um, and I like comedy shows. They um, I like comedy shows. They keep we can because we can laugh and we can remove our stress. Uh, that that's why I watch television after my work.
Do you think all the programs are good on television?
No, I don't think so. I like comedy shows and news uh, because comedies is increase our health, increase your health. Whenever you laugh, your body and your blood circulation is increased. And news gives us a lot of information about around the world. That's why I thought news and comedy is the best channel you can
So,
watch.
do you think all programs are very good for the children? Children should go watch any channel, any program.
No, I don't think so. Because the kid depends on kids age. It's matter on kids age. I think kids want to watch as more stories in the channel, and I uh, uh, because
Huh?
sorry, sir. I
No, no, you are speaking
because
very good. You are speaking
uh,
very good, don't worry. And you can say there are
uh,
many channels which is not very good, and they are only they can all the people who are above 18 years they can watch some channels like Fashion TV. Okay, some channels that means they show vulgarity. Some of the programs on television, some movies that show some vigorous blood. Okay, crime that is not good for the children at all. Some channels are good, they only show okay some programs for the
okay,
children. Even I think
okay,
that Discovery Channel, History Channel, student or children they must watch, but not all the
okay,
channels.
okay.
Understand, no?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so the same thing happens. Do you think that advertisement on television it affects to the audience? Or you think that it is good to show when you are watching your interesting show program on television? So what is the role of advertisement? Tell me.
It is a group. I think that this is good because because we are continuing watching uh, some movies and shows. So uh, we want a break, and advertisement gives us a lot of information about the new product in the market. Uh, about the new product in the market. That's why advertisement also is a need a part of a life, and they gives us they gives us knowledge about so many things. That's why I think the advertisement is good. Or
One more
between
last question. Do you think all advertisement are good? Like there are many people, celebrities, famous people, they sell a lot of things like Coca-Cola, like Fair and Lovely, and a lot of things. So do you think that
no,
all advertisement are good?
yes. No,
And
I don't think so. That the all advertisement are good because there are so many advertisement. They don't need to. They don't need to show because some advertisements it's a bad for our kids, and the celebrities gives the advertisement because of the money, not for a moral. So that's not for a safety and moral. Sometimes I thought some advertisements are not good for us.
so I think there must be some of the regulation rules by the government because nobody can sell anything, even on national television, you know. That
Yes,
is why. Good. You can see today you have communicating with me. You are
yes,
talking
sir.
with me, and you can see this is the only second lecture. And that
Yes,
is why
sir.
I have given you some thoughts. Think like
Yes,
this,
sir.
speak like this.
Yes, sir.
And that is why I have given you different topics to you. Different topics
Yes, sir.
I am speaking. So
Yes, sir.
now ask me another topic, another question. Any question? You have written, no? आपने लिखा है, do you say?
Yeah. Oh, okay. I can ask.
Yes. So It will help. That is why I ask. It means you write on maximum
Okay.
sentences. It will help you to speak faster, think faster.
Okay.
One more thing here, Parul.
Yes.
जब आप सेंटेंस लिखती है ना आप, do you, तो मीन वाइल आप उसी वक्त आपको भी सोचना है कि यार इसका जवाब क्या होगा. सर ने
Okay.
इसका आइडिया दिया है, 3 4 5 सेंटेंस तो होने चाहिए. बिकॉज दिस इज एंड बट दैट इज वाई, ये सारी चीजें आप यूज करोगे ना. ऑल्सो इट ऑल्सो हेल्प्स. 4 5 सेंटेंसेस तो आप आसानी से बोल दोगे. ओके, नाउ आस्क मी अनदर क्वेश्चन.
Do you have a credit card?
I have credit cards.
Why do you keep credit? Why do you keep credit card?
Actually, in the beginning, when I was having, it was very good. I took a lot of, I spent a lot of money while using my credit cards. But when it comes to pay EMI, and so I was puzzled. In the beginning, 3 4 5 10 years ago, there was not regulation. I was not informed properly. Sometimes the different banks, they provide credit cards and they charges extra. They charge all the time extra. Even if you are late for one day, it is really, it means very difficult for you. So in the beginning, I thought it is okay, but when I started paying, I thought means I have paid a lot of money. And bank, they always try to, they levies, they
आपका आवाज. Hello. Hello. Hello.